Ever imagined a world where static images come to life and text transforms into cinematic experiences? Welcome to the groundbreaking era of Alibaba's EMO AI and OpenAI's Sora. Dive into a journey where we uncover the magic behind these technologies, how they're shaping our digital universe, and why thinking of them as rivals might just limit our imagination. Let's explore the infinite possibilities when innovation knows no bounds. A captivating clip generated by EMO AI, supposedly Audrey Hepburn, singing and talking, demonstrating EMO's prowess in turning imagination into reality. Kicking things off with Alibaba's EMO AI, a marvel that breathes life into still portraits, making them speak or sing as if by magic. This isn't your run-of-the-mill animation. EMO AI transcends traditional boundaries by crafting lifelike videos directly from audio, no complex 3D models needed. The result? Stunningly seamless transitions that capture every nuance of human expression. Next up, OpenAI's Sora takes the spotlight. Imagine typing a scene and watching it unfold in high definition. That's Sora for you. Leveraging the might of DALL-E 3, this AI wizard conjures up videos from text, crafting visuals so detailed they blur the line between the digital and the real. An example scene generated by Sora is not just about creating content. It's about unlocking a universe where stories are no longer bound by the constraints of traditional media. Generated by Sora with prompt, the camera directly faces colorful buildings in Burano, Italy. An adorable Dalmatian looks through a window on a building on the ground floor. People walking. We'd present a mesmerizing visual narrative crafted by Sora, visualizing a stylish woman navigating a neon-lit Tokyo street, showcasing Sora's ability to turn words into worlds. The outputs from both EMO AI and Sora are so seamlessly perfect they could easily pass for conventional audio-video productions. But here's where it gets exciting. We're only scratching the surface. As we venture deeper into the capabilities of these AIs, we're greeted with a future brimming with creativity and innovation. From digital entertainment to education and marketing to personalized content creation, EMO AI and Sora are set to revolutionize how we interact with media. They offer a canvas where the only limit is your imagination, enabling storytellers, educators, and creators to convey their visions in ways previously unimaginable. Picture a world where entertainment is not just watched, but experienced, tailored specifically to you. The synergy between EMO AI and Sora could craft stories with characters that mirror your image, responding to scenarios spun from your own words. Imagine that you were able to create our own curated library of video characters. For example, Russell Crowe from the movie Gladiator, and that's a digital asset you can add to another movie or replace another character with. Limit is our imagination. This isn't just entertainment, it's a portal to worlds tailor-made for you. For the creative freelancers out there, these technologies are a goldmine. Whether it's crafting personalized video greetings, educational content that comes to life, or marketing campaigns that tell a story, EMO AI and Sora open up a realm of possibilities for innovation and entrepreneurship. Beyond the tech-savvy and creatives, these advancements promise to enrich the lives of everyday people. Engaging educational content, immersive storytelling, and personalized digital experiences are just the beginning. The democratization of content creation means that anyone with a story to tell has the tools to share it with the world. As we stand on the brink of this new dawn, we invite you to join us in embracing the limitless potential of EMO AI and Sora. Dive into the future of content creation, where your stories come to life in ways you've never imagined. The future is here, and it's more personalized, immersive, and creative than ever. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us, exploring the wonders of EMO AI and Sora. Before you go, hit the like button, share this video with your network, and subscribe to our channel. Together, they're not just changing the game, they're creating a whole new playing field. Here's to a future where technology not only imitates life, but elevates it to extraordinary new heights.